Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Biradar. In this video, we will learn how we can use the Google Classroom and what are all the various features that can be helpful for an educator to engage the remote learning, share details, various topics, subjects with your student so that you can engage them and can get the output. Student by sitting in their homes and learning various technologies. So let us start with that. In Google Classroom, you can have a stream option so that you can share the latest updates with the classroom. There will be a section name called Streamware where you can put all your latest updates and instructions to your students, and students have a Google Classroom code. They can access all your updates. You can also share assignments and quizzes with your students. You can also share the different academic materials with which the student can be able to see your documents, presentations, PDFs and other documents for the extended learning of their particular topics. Student will submit their work. Suppose you have given an assignment and they will submit their work in the form of document, PDF or any scan photographs. So in the same format, you have asked them to submit their work, he or she can submit. You can being an educator, you can review their work, you can give grade based on their work or creativity as per the performance of the student, and also give the comments. Why there is a need of a Google Classroom? So there are so many virtual classroom platforms are available, but in Google Classroom you can engage students virtually and create academic stuffs. You can engage them when school and colleges are off. No doubt, when schools and colleges are running properly, you can still engage your students in remote learning techniques, so that you can be in touch with your students virtually, because you will be able to see creativity among the students to use such platforms, and there will be avoid distraction and keep academic stuff during the teaching learning process. There are a number of platforms having ads and irrelevant content showing throughout the website, but in Google Classroom, avoid the distractions. Student can focus on their work, submit their assignments which can have allotted to them. And it is the simplest tool, even it can be used non-computer savvy educators also. So what is the extra mileage which can be very useful for educators? So it's having simplest feedback method for student. You can simply give the comments, simply give the feedback, and you can assign grades as per the work done by the students, and you can create your own rubrics as well. Rubrics can be creativity, performance, or used any ITC tools in given assignment back to you. So you can create your own rubrics out of 10 or 15 marks. So how much you can appreciate your student. You can keep your academic stuffs in an organized way. So it is very simple thing. You will have a dashboard so that you can align all your topics as per your need or requirement, or as per the requirement of the subject. And also you can give a private comment to your students for their work. If you want to appreciate, if you want to encourage and motivate your student to do more good in their work, you can give a private comment as well. On the go, available in the apps too. If you have Android, you can download it from Play Store. So what? You can use on the go. You can engage the student, respond to students and give the assignment. student can also join your class using smartphone, so that learning can be never be stopped. Right. Thank